Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Yahk, British Columbia is a small community tucked into the southeastern corner of the province, near the junction of the Moyi and Yahk rivers. Surrounded by forested hills and mountain ranges, it sits along a natural corridor that has long connected different parts of the Kootenays. The setting feels quiet and grounded, shaped by water, trees, and the steady passage of time rather than rapid growth. Long before European settlement, this region was part of their traditional territory. They traveled along the rivers and through the valleys, using the land's natural routes for hunting, fishing, and seasonal movement. The rivers that meet here were central to daily life, offering both resources and connection across the landscape. In the late 1800s, European settlers began arriving in the region, drawn by opportunities in mining, forestry, and transportation. While Yahk itself did not become a major mining center, it grew as a small settlement due to its location along developing travel routes. Trails and early roads followed the natural lines of the valleys, gradually linking isolated communities across southeastern British Columbia. By the early 1900s, road construction had improved access through the region, and Yahk became a known stopping point for those traveling between towns like Cranbrook and Creston. Its location near the United States border also added to its importance as goods and people moved through this part of the province. The community developed modestly, with services that supported travelers and local residents alike. Forestry played a key role in the area's economy through much of the 20th century. The surrounding forests provided timber that supported local jobs and contributed to the wider development of the province. Logging operations and small-scale industry helped sustain the community, alongside the steady flow of traffic passing through. The rivers remain a defining feature of Yahk. The Moyi and Yahk rivers continue to shape the land, creating a landscape that supports fish, wildlife, and dense vegetation. These waterways have always been both a resource and a force of nature, influencing how the land is used and how people live within it. Despite its small size, Yahk has developed a distinct character over time. It is known for its roadside presence and a sense of individuality that reflects the spirit of the Kootenays. While it has never grown into a large town, it has maintained its identity as a place where travelers pause and where local life continues at its own pace. In more recent years, Yahk has remained a quiet community with only modest changes compared to larger centers nearby. From its indigenous history to its place along modern travel corridors, it reflects the broader patterns that have shaped southeastern British Columbia.
Thank you very much.